I said it once, and I'll say it again. Vosteed makes some of the best knives in existence. This is the Vosteed Psyop 299. And it is a banger, 100%. On my last video, I named it Best Dollar for Dollar Knife in 2025. That remains true. Everything about this screams premium badassery. You could white knuckle the hell out of this thing and it's very comfortable. Button's fun, smooth. You know, you get those knives, you're like, well, that was underwhelming. This one's not. It has a great snap to it. Great action. The Neuroplex micarta is really good. Really, really good. It does tear up your pants a little bit. This is springy, but it's pretty tight. My work jeans have nice little rips from carrying the crap out of this thing since I got it. Thumb studs are in a phenomenal place. They're still doing that divot on all their knives, which is now kind of a call sign in my opinion. This is a collaboration with Tough Knives, and if you've been a knife guy for a long time or a knife gal for a long time, you know that Tough Knives is really good. They make some really cool designs. They haven't been around for that long. I don't think. I don't research this stuff, guys. I'm not a knife nerd. I'm a knife enthusiast. I know what steels I like to sharpen and use, and S45 is up there for me. I don't like S90 because I suck at sharpening. I need guided systems because my shaky, trimmery hands, it's very hard for me to use stones and stuff of that nature. And it's just easier to sharpen S45s, S35s, D2s, 14Cs, 154s. Any of the Rexes sharpen real well. The Maximelt from Spyderco and the Spy 27 from Spyderco, very good steels for people with hands, you know. Sorry, I had to take a drink. Been talking for a while. Been doing a lot of videos tonight because I only have a day to record as many videos as I can. And then I have to sell things so I can make more videos because YouTube is my outlet. It's my way to center myself, I guess you could say. This has, I don't know if I ever mentioned it on the first video, but this has jimping right here, which is really nice. I like when companies do that. It makes it feel like you're much more secure when you're beating down on it. Backspacer, phenomenal. All these next couple of videos are going to be short because there's not much to say that my initial impressions video didn't already get out. I already got stats on it on my initial impressions. I already got cutting tests and other things done with them. Actually, I don't know if I cut any paper with this one. Not that it proves anything substantial. Because just like the Vero Avid, I used the crap out of this one too, so it might be dull right now. I'm not sure. Still feels sharp, but let's see. Yeah, it's not as good as I want. Yeah, I guess it's fine. It was just the angle I came in that screwed it up. I mean, I have used this one, but I have not used it as much as the Avid one, as I carry that Avid one almost everywhere I go. It's that good. This, until I get my hands on that whole new batch of Kaisers that just released, which I will, I must. Have you seen those things? They're fantastic. It's like the Seagull line or whatever it's called. You guys hear that Yoda song, Flock of Seagulls, or whatever it is. That thing's hilarious. Watch that. I might tag that. That's hilarious. If you're in the Star Wars anywhere. Anyways. But yeah. So this is a really good knife. It's $139. It's 1,000% worth it. This version is sold out everywhere. Good luck finding it. But the black micarta and black titanium and black blade versions out. The natural micarta versions out. I think there's one more. I'm not exactly sure. Let me look it up so I can actually give you facts of what's out, because I have a short attention and memory span. Vosteed. PSY, right? Yeah. Gundam style. Yeah, so there's that one. The black Neuroplex. S35. Black stonewash finish. Then the natural with the satin blade, and then the green micarta with the satin blade. It has two. It has two green micartas, but one has a satin blade and one has a stonewash blade. And then it has a red micarta one with a stonewash finish. And that's it. I guess green is popular for them. I don't know. There's two of those and only one of the red and one of the black. And then this fantastic version, which is a damn gem. Love this thing. So good. Yeah, but that's basically the end of this video. Great edge geometry. Came stupidly sharp. It's a lot less sharp now, but it's still very good edge. It feels really well. The weight is actually a lot more than the Avid one. At least I think it is. It's substantial in the hand. It feels like it's a bigger knife than it is. Yeah, 4.25, which is basically a normal knife. A normal weight for a normal knife size, like a full-size knife size. Let's do it this way because it's easier. That's a little over 7 inches, which with a 2.9-inch blade. Damn near 3-inch blade. Ever so slightly under, which is probably why they call it the 299. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you find this version, buy it. It's fantastic. It looks better in person than it's probably showing on my videos that I do on my phone. Yes, I don't have a camera. Yeah, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.